Rare butterflies return. East Yorkshire Wetland Restoration Project, underway East Yorkshire, is embarking on an ambitious project to revive habitat for the swallowtail butterfly, the UK's largest native species, after a century-long absence. The key to this revival? Restoring the rare milk parsley plant, which is essential for the butterfly's survival. Historical decline and the restoration effort. Milk parsley once thrived in the marshlands around Hornsey Mere, but large-scale drainage efforts in the 18th and 19th centuries decimated its populations. This habitat loss directly impacted the swallowtail butterfly, which relies on milk parsley as its primary food source. The current restoration is a collaborative effort between the Wetland Estate and Yorkshire Water's Toffel Low Nature Reserve. Wetland specialist John Barnard began collecting seeds from the remaining milk parsley plants in 2024 to cultivate new, genetically identical stock. There are historical records of swallowtails right across East Yorkshire. Bringing milk parsley back basically puts things in place for where they originally lived. John Barnard, Toffel Low. Why this matters. A broader ecological trend, the decline of milk parsley, and the swallowtail is a clear example of how human interventions can disrupt delicate ecosystems. Large-scale land drainage, a common practice in the past to create agricultural land, had unintended consequences for specialized species like the swallowtail. This project is not just about one butterfly. It's part of a wider movement to restore wetland habitats across the River Hull catchment. Establishing milk parsley in multiple locations will create a more resilient environment for the swallowtail should reintroduction efforts succeed. The long-term outlook, while the restoration of milk parsley is a crucial first step, conservationists emphasize that reintroducing the swallowtail itself will take time. Groundwork Yorkshire estimates that a reintroduction could be possible in approximately 5 years, contingent on establishing stable plant populations. The success of this project depends on continued collaboration and a long-term commitment to habitat restoration. Hornsey Mere, already protected as a site of special scientific interest, provides a vital foundation for this ambitious undertaking. The revival of the swallowtail butterfly in East Yorkshire represents a significant step toward restoring biodiversity and acknowledging the crucial role of wetland ecosystems.